Thank you, my mentor, Amenny Chua, with her 100% passions and effort to conduct a training. During these lockdown periods, I think it's a very tough time for everyone to physically go out to meet your client and prospect. Either you choose to do nothing or you choose to develop something for your own career. I always to remind myself to be disciplined in my daily life. So this round, actually, I commit myself to learn a new skill. In the trainings, we talk about the 8 pillars of the area specialist. It's a call for every agent. We need to review, study, and practice it one by one. There is a 2 important segments that we must focus. One is a sales and marketing, plus a business planning. Firstly, I must know my geography targets area inside out. Then we need to do a proper sales kit, write a script and SMS template. Lastly, I must have a master listing in the full data management. So the things that I mentioned above, you might know it, but we not do it in the proper way. So now is a good time for us to learn it and practice it again. With a proper guidance, coached by Amenny, and the fully support by all the team members, I able to have a full, clear pictures of my directions. So in my point of view, is no matter how long we are in this market, but we always need to back to basic, review what do you do and where are you heading forward. Thank you.